how to slice onion. We're removing the outer layer. And I watched something on TikTok or YouTube that if you cut this right away, it's really gonna sting your eyes. So you don't want that. You want to leave this piece here.
Okay.
Normally people cut like the top and the bottom part, but we're gonna leave this.
Okay, leave this
So that it doesn't sting your eyes as much. Okay. To cut the onion, I think this is step one. You don't need to slice it across because it's already layered, right? So you just have to make like a little slice across like this. All it down. Okay. And then just go across. And then just cut across. And you can see the tiny pieces are there.
I see.
Okay.
Make perfect little squares.
And you try it now.
Okay.
Sting my eyes a little bit, but not as strong. All the way down. Push. There you go.
Ooh, my eyes.
Good job. Now, with that extra piece, I would just turn it flat down and start cutting. Because, you know, we love people. We don't throw anything away. We use it all. Okay. And turn to the other side. There you go. Okay. You can throw that piece away.
Ooh.
And then
Tears.
And then the longer piece, just do a little rough chop to cut them. And there's your onion. That's it.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!